Alright, you guys, I want to show you the little update on the garden. Had to break out some tools. So we've got a couple green stalks over here. They are ready to be planted out. I had to get some of the old stuff up, trying to set up my deck. We're going to harvest some of these strawberries and make a green stalk strawberry tower. And then if you can see this one, we're going to fill this one up probably with herbs or something, and then I have to tackle all those weeds out there. See them? Got lots of weeds to tackle today, but we'll get through it. Garden update, y'all. We got the hay in so you can see the rows. We got some storms gonna come through next week, so we're doing as much water mitigation as we can. So there it is. That's the next big one. Oh, we planted the carrots and we got the squash and the cucumbers in. I got one teeny weeny little asparagus popping up, and the Jerusalem artichokes are starting to come in real good. So this is the next project, is this little area over here where Greg's at. We're gonna he's building me some raised beds, so we're gonna put some raised beds in here. So on to the next project.
And look right here, y'all. Greg is so amazing. Look at the beautiful raised bed he made. He's going to make 3 of them. Oh, and there's one of them in place. What just an awesome thing that we've got going on. We see we got that new shed in the back too. That's going to be great for storage. So here's this with the 2 trellises up. Everything looks so good. And the onions took. The garlic looks amazing. I'm so happy with the results so far. It's starting to clean up and look really, really nice in the backyard. Same way with the front. We've got some new plants in, and I'm just so thrilled and excited at how far we've come. Thanks, y'all. Till the next time. Bye, y'all.